value is 726,000, Your Honor.
Okay. And, Your Honor, may we request that this amount be encircled and be bracketed as our Exhibit 150-B. And just a few more questions, Mr. Witness. There is a signature on the lower left-hand portion, on top of the typewritten name, Engineer Mario V. Badillo. Whose signature is that?
This is my signature, Your Honor.
Okay. Your Honor, I have no further questions.
Mark the documents accordingly. So, but the court would like to clarify, when was this assessed value undertaken by the City of Makati?
January 11, 2008, Your Honor.
And about the market value?
The witness now referring to the documents that is now in his possession.
I think 2006, Your Honor.
Huh?
2006, Your Honor, under the name of Community Innovation Incorporated, transferred to
When was that market value determined?
2008, Your Honor.
2008?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you certify that that is the market value of the property as of December 31st, 2010?
Yes, Your Honor. Until
You can state under oath that that value is stated there as market value of the property is the market value as of December 31st, 2010.
Yes, Your Honor.
On what basis can you do that? Did you do an appraisal?
Yes, Your Honor. Since 2008 up to 2010, the same market value, Your Honor.
It remained the same
Yes, Your Honor.
after the December 31. What was the market value?
The same, Your Honor.
The same.
Yes, Your Honor.
Until when? Until now.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Proceed.
Your Honor, no further questions. We're ready
All
for
right.
cross-examination.
We will conduct no cross-examination.
All right. The witness is discharged.
Thank you, Your
Thank
Honor.
you po.
For our next witness, Your Honor, he will be presented by our attorney, Dennis Manalo. So may we request that he be recognized?
Attorney Dennis Manalo is recognized.
May we request for
By
a
the way,
1-minute suspension,
Your
Your Honor?
counsel,
Yes, Your Honor.
why is it that you have different lawyers presenting different witnesses?
Because we have made separate assignments, Your Honor, for the
For
different
the
witnesses.
preparation of the witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Proceed.
May we request for a 1-minute suspension, Your Honor, because Attorney Manalo is fetching the witness.
All right. Trial suspended for 1 minute to wait for the witness.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Natapos na po ang eksaminasyon dito kay Engineer Mario Badillo, ang Makati City Assessor, na kung saan nga pinakita ang tax declaration ng Columns Makati Condominium ng asawa ni Chief Justice Renato Corona, at nasabi niya na meron itong market value na 1,210,000 and assessed value ng 726,000. So ito yung mga kaganapan. Siguro para maliwanagan tayo sa magaganap pa o sa nagaganap ngayon, pakilala natin ang ating mga guests. Muli ang ating Carl, ang suking-suking si Professor Carl sa Tinitigan, at syempre mula po sa IBP, si Attorney Trixie Angeles. Magandang hapon sa inyong dalawa.
Magandang hapon.
Attorney Trixie, simulan ko sa iyo. Ano po yung anggulo ng depensa ngayong araw sa pagpresenta nitong mga city assessors?
What they're doing is binabase nila yung SALN ng nasa sakdal dito. Sinasabi nila na yung mga dineklara na values doon sa SALN ay nag-a-appear naman sa ibang public document. At itong public document na to ay ang tax declarations ng iba't ibang mga property na real property ng nasa sakdal. So, ibig sabihin, yung merong good faith na basehan yung nasa sakdal sa pagsulat ng mga amounts na yan.
puntahan naman natin yung parang tila may naging earlier argument na wala daw meeting of the minds, sabi ni Senate President Enrile. Ano po yung naganap dito? At tila pinapabilis nila yung proseso pero walang agreement.
Ang gusto sana ni Senator Drilon ay mag-stipulate na lang ang dalawang partido, mag-agree sila na ang magiging testigo nitong city assessor ay base doon sa tax declaration. Ang gusto po ng depensa ay sabihin yung word na accurate yung nilagay doon sa SALN base doon sa tax declaration. Ang sinasabi naman ni Senator Drilon at ng prosecution ay base yung amounts doon sa tax declaration. Maliit nga yung difference, pero malaking...
Balikan kita, tila magre-resume na tayo sa Senado. Salamat, Atty. Trixie. Balik tayo sa Senate.
Mr. President.
Mr. Witness, please stand up. Raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this impeachment proceeding? So help you God.
I am Attorney Dennis Manalo, Your Honor.
Attorney Dennis Manalo will conduct the examination of the witness.
Your Honor, the witness is offered to prove the basis of the non-inclusion of the Ayala Heights and La Vista properties in the Statement of Assets, Liabilities, and Net Worth of Chief Justice Corona as of December 31, 2010.
Proceed.
To prove further, Your Honor, that there was a transfer of the title of the Ayala Heights property in the name of the spouses Renato and Cristina Corona to a certain Amelia E. Rivera et al. On the 12th day of March 2010. Based on the title of this property and the certificate authorizing registration. To prove further, Your Honor, the transfer of the title of the La Vista property in the name of the spouses Renato and Cristina Corona to a certain Carla C. Castillo on the 22nd day of October 2010, based on the title and the certificate authorizing registration.
All right, go ahead.
Now, the second part, Your Honor, of the testimony will delve on the basis on the non-inclusion of the properties in Cubao and Kalayaan Avenue in the SALNs of Chief Justice Corona. The property in Cubao, Your Honor, we will prove that it is in the name of Constantino C. Castillo III and Carla C. Castillo, and the property in Kalayaan Avenue is also in their names.
In their name, what is there?
Them referring to Constantino C. Castillo and Carla C. Castillo.
Okay.
And lastly, Your Honor, to prove the basis for the non-inclusion of the parking space in the Burgundy condominium in the SALN of Chief Justice Corona beginning 2003, the parking space of the Burgundy property in the name of the spouses Renato and Cristina Corona being a part of the technical description of the TCT. That is our purpose for presenting this witness, Your Honor.
Your Honor, if the witness will be identifying documents, maybe he can just show us and we can just submit the authenticity of the documents, Your Honor. This witness was presented by this representation before, and I'm sure he wouldn't have any problem identifying, Your Honor, the documents.
If the counsel will agree to the purpose of our presentation, then we are willing to
Proceed to present the witness and let them agree or disagree.
Okay, Your Honor. Mr. Witness, please state your name and other personal circumstances for the record.
I am Attorney Carlo V. Alcantara, of legal age, married, and presently the designated acting registrar of deeds of Quezon City Registry of Deeds, Your Honor.
Okay.
And how long have you been the acting register of deeds of Quezon City? For the record, Mr. Witness.
May I interrupt? I will admit the qualification of the witness to expedite the proceeding. As I have said, he was my witness before.
including his tenure as acting register of deeds?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So order. Proceed.
All right. Mr. Witness, can you just briefly explain your duties and functions?
We can also admit that, Your Honor, in fact, I presented that during the time when I presented him to the witness stand.
All right. His duties and functions and authority
Admitted, Your Honor.
admitted by the prosecution.
Mr. Witness, as the acting register of deeds, do you have in your record a copy of transfer certificate of title number 85121 in the name of spouses Renato C. Corona and Cristina R. Corona?
Yes, Your Honor. We have on records the transfer certificate of title number 85121 in the name of spouses Renato C. Corona and Cristina R. Corona, Your Honor.
And what is the status of that title?
Your Honor, this title is a cancelled title, Your Honor.
May we request, Your Honor, that this document presented by the witness be marked as our exhibit
Yes, but before
185,
before
Your
we
Honor.
mark it, I just want to find out when was it cancelled? When was that title cancelled?
Your Honor, this title was cancelled on April 13, 2010, Your Honor.
And why was it cancelled?
The reason, Your Honor, for the cancellation of this title is the registration of a deed of absolute sale executed by spouses Renato C. Corona and Cristina R. Corona in favor of spouses Rosel V. Rivera and Amelia E. Rivera, Your Honor.
What is the date of the deed of sale?
The deed of sale, Your Honor, refers to a
What is the date?
date. The deed of absolute sale, Your Honor, is February 26, 2010, Your Honor.
Is that a unilateral contract or a bilateral contract?
Your Honor, this is a bilateral contract, Your Honor.
Between the buyer and the seller?
Yes, Your Honor.
And who notarized it?
This document, deed of absolute sale, docketed as document number 138, page number 29, book number 4, series of 2010, was notarized by Attorney Wena Titan, Notary Public for Quezon City, Your Honor.
And that is registered in the Registry of Deeds
Of
of
Quezon
Quezon City for purposes of cancelling the title in the name of the spouses Renato C. Corona and Cristina Corona.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, proceed. Mark it accordingly.
May we request that the document be marked as our exhibit 185, that the rubber stamp cancelled be marked as our exhibit 185-A, and that the annotation in the title of the sale, of the deed of absolute sale in favor of Rodel V. Rivera and Amelia E. Rivera be bracketed and marked as our exhibit 185-B.
All right. Mark it accordingly.
Prosecution. Ito ang susundan natin. Mr. Witness, do you have a copy of the title that replaced this particular certificate of title?
Your Honor, we have a certified true copy of the title in the name of spouses Rodel V. Rivera and Amelia E. Rivera, Your Honor.
That is the replacement of the TCT cancelled by that deed of sale.
Yes, Your Honor.
Already marked as exhibit. Okay. What is the number of that TCT?
The number of the title, Your Honor, is Transfer Certificate of Title number 004-2010-001387, Your Honor.
And what is the date of issuance?
The date of issuance, Your Honor, is April 13, 2010 at